Happy New Year, this is Young. In 2017, I bought numerous gadgets. The most fun gadget that I bought is Spark.
Yeah!
Just like you guys, I really want to improve my videography using the drone. I've been the owner of DJI SPARK for the last 4 months. So I reviewed every single videos taken in 2017 with Spark. And I've actually compiled 1-minute video here. Check it out and like the video. So after seeing all my videos taken with drone, I actually realized there are a lot of mistakes that I made and there are a lot of things that I could have improved. So I ended up summarizing 5 pointers for me and for you to take away from my mistake. So let's get straight into the point. So number 1 is take long shots, like especially of the landscape. We're using the drone to reveal the surrounding of where we are. So please make sure to take that uninterrupted, straight video shots. What I particularly like is using the diagonal direction. It's very cinematic. And when you're taking the long shots, do not be afraid of sports mode. Because I'm still a very beginner. I've only had a drone for 4 months, so I'm still very scared of sports mode. Sports mode is so easy. Just, in the switch, all we need to do is flick to the sports mode. But it does get my adrenaline running a little bit too fast for me to take, but it's a lot of fun. And especially you're going for like long landscape shot. And here, I'm in one of the outlying islands in Hong Kong. This is taken at a normal flight mode, so it's very slow. I could have used the speed mode in video editor, but that will speed up the natural speed of the waves. So in here, the sports mode would have been very handy. And this leads to the 3rd point. When you're using sports mode, one of the fantastic ways is to fly low. So I attempted doing that over the flower bed, over the silver grass, but this leads to the 4th point. When you fly low or fly near the tree or bushes or whatever, be careful because this is what happened to me. One of the motor actually caught one of the grass. There was motor overload and it just sort of fell into the bushes. Luckily, I had somebody at the park to help me. Otherwise, I would have been very scared to actually walk in to the bushes myself because I know there are some snakes living there. This really leads to the 5th point and the most important point. That is, you need to get outside. Whenever you go to somewhere interesting or are seeing some good lightings, or you're taking your pet for a walk, or even practicing Jedi moves, just get outdoor with Spark. It really helped me improve my videos. So anyway, 2018, I'm gonna get out there more with Spark. So please subscribe if you want to interact with me using Spark and improve our videos using the drone. See you next time!